If you've invested in a ceramic coating for your vehicle, using the right car wash kit is essential to keep that glossy finish looking its best. A quality wash kit helps remove dirt safely without damaging the coating, while also extending its lifespan and shine. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best car wash kits for ceramic coated cars in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or a car detailing enthusiast, these kits offer the tools and products you need to maintain a spotless, protected finish with ease. Number 5. The Chemical Guy 7-Item Car Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive detailing system designed to streamline both interior and exterior vehicle maintenance for automotive enthusiasts. Its core purpose is to provide a curated, high-performance selection of essentials, featuring the high-foaming Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, and a premium microfiber wash mitt, alongside specialized detailing accessories. In real-life scenarios, the performance of the liquid formulas is exceptional. Mr. Pink creates a thick, slick suds blanket that encapsulates dirt to prevent swirl marks, while the multi-surface Total Interior Cleaner effectively lifts grime from dashboards and upholstery without leaving an oily residue. The build quality of the physical components is excellent, particularly the scratch-free chenille wash mitt, which features thick, absorbent microfiber strands that hold massive amounts of soapy water for safe wiping. A unique design aspect of this kit is the premium concentration of its chemicals, meaning a small amount goes a long way, ensuring high ease of use through simple spray and wipe or dilute and wash applications. When evaluated against market competitors like Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax kits, Chemical Guys provide superior value for money in a more versatile feature set. While Meguiar's often relies on traditional, heavier waxes, this kit offers modern, specialized cleaners like Total Interior that work safely across modern tech screens, plastics, and leather alike. This kit delivers incredible value by eliminating the guesswork of buying separate products. Though it lacks a dedicated exterior wax or sealant, which some competitors include. Ultimately, weekend warriors, beginners looking to build a proper detailing routine, and car owners seeking an all-in-one maintenance bundle would benefit most from this setup. Because of its top-tier chemical performance, safe microfiber accessories, and accessible price point, I highly recommend this kit as a staple for keeping any vehicle pristine. Number 4. The Armor All Premier 8-Piece Car Care Kit serves as a comprehensive, entry-level detailing package designed to provide everyday drivers with everything needed to clean, shine, and protect their vehicle inside and out. Key features of this bundle include the Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, Extreme Tire Shine, Original Protectant, glass wipes, a microfiber wash pad, and a microfiber towel. In real-life scenarios, the kit scores incredibly high on ease of use. The pre-moistened glass and interior wipes offer instant grab-and-go convenience for quick touch-ups without needing separate spray bottles. The Ultra Shine Wash and Wax performs reliably, lifting surface dirt easily while leaving a faint, water-beating sheen, and the Extreme Tire Shine delivers that classic, wet look gloss that lasts for days. However, when evaluating build quality and chemical performance against premium competitors like the Chemical Guy 7-Item Kit, clear differences emerge. While Armor All focuses heavily on high-gloss silicone protectants and convenience wipes, Chemical Guy's formulas are more specialized, residue-free, and concentrated, appealing to detailing enthusiasts who favor long-term material safety over immediate shine. Furthermore, Armor All's included microfiber wash pad is functional but has a flatter build that traps debris less efficiently than the plush chenille mitts found in higher-end packages. Despite these trade-offs, this 8-piece set offers outstanding value for money on the market, pricing all 8 items together at a fraction of what they would cost individually. It represents a highly cost-effective, practical solution for the casual car owner who wants an uncomplicated, all-in-one routine without getting bogged down in complex multi-step processes. Ultimately, this kit is an ideal gift for new drivers, commuters looking for straightforward vehicle maintenance, or anyone who values quick, budget-friendly results. Because it delivers dependable, comprehensive coverage at an incredibly accessible price point, I would highly recommend it as a practical staple for everyday car care. Number 3. The Chemical Guys 17-piece car detailing kit is a professional-grade, comprehensive wash system engineered to provide an all-inclusive solution for total vehicle restoration and maintenance. Its primary purpose is to equip enthusiasts with every necessary tool for an advanced 2-bucket-style wash, featuring key elements like citrus wash and gloss Diablo wheel cleaner, Total Interior Cleaner, a heavy-duty detailing bucket with a cyclone dirt trap, a premium foam gun, and an assortment of specialized brushes and microfiber towels. In real-life scenarios, the performance of this kit is exceptional. The foam gun connects easily to a standard garden hose, blanketing the vehicle in thick, lubricated suds that safely encapsulate dirt, while the cyclone dirt trap sits at the bottom of the bucket to isolate grit and prevent swirl marks. The build quality of the physical components is outstanding. The heavy-duty bucket feels indestructible, the chenille wash mitt is incredibly plush, and the wheel and interior brushes feature ergonomic grips with durable bristles that do not shed under pressure. A unique design aspect of this kit is its modular synergy, where the advanced chemical formulas, like the residue-free Total Interior Spray, perfectly match the specific textures of the included microfiber towels and application pads to maximize ease of use when compared to large-scale competitors like the Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. Chemical Guys holds a distinct performance advantage by providing the physical hardware, the bucket, dirt trap, foam gun, and heavy-duty detailing brushes that Meguiar's purely chemical-focused bundles leave out. Although the initial price point is higher, it delivers superb value for money because sourcing these high-caliber tools and chemicals individually would cost significantly more. Ultimately, this 17-piece arsenal is a perfect match for dedicated car hobbyists, meticulous weekend warriors, and anyone looking to establish a serious scratch-free detailing setup from scratch. Because it masterfully bridges the gap between commercial-grade detailing and driveway convenience, I highly recommend it as the ultimate investment for long-term vehicle care. Number 2. The Chemical Guys 16-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit is a premium, heavy-duty detailing system specifically designed for vehicle owners looking to harness the power of a pressure washer for professional-grade maintenance. The core purpose of this kit is to offer a comprehensive, touchless, capable washing routine featuring a high-performance torque foam cannon, a heavy-duty detailing bucket with a cyclone dirt trap, a premium microfiber wash mitt, 3 specialized towels, and 6 full-size 16-ounce chemical bottles, including Honeydew Snow Foam, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, and Silk Shine Dressing. In real-life scenarios, the performance is stellar. When connected to a pressure washer, the torque foam cannon produces an incredibly thick, clinging blanket of honeydew foam that dwells on the paint to safely loosen road grime before you ever touch the vehicle. The build quality of the physical hardware is industrial grade, featuring brass components and durable plastics on the foam cannon that resist cracking under high pressure, while the thick-walled detailing bucket feels virtually indestructible. A unique design aspect of this kit is the inclusion of the Cyclone Dirt Trap, which uses funnel-shaped cyclonic vents to force dirt particles to the bottom of the bucket, preventing them from contaminating the wash mitt and scratching the paint. This focus on paint safety ensures excellent ease of use, even for beginners. Compared to competitors like the Adams Polish's Pressure Washer Car Wash Kit, Chemical Guys provides a more well-rounded chemical lineup. While Adams delivers excellent foaming soap, the Arsenal Builder includes interior protectants, quick detailers, and glass cleaners, offering a true top-to-bottom detail rather than just an exterior wash. It represents phenomenal value for money, saving users roughly 40% compared to purchasing the cannon, bucket, and 6 premium formulas separately. Ultimately, this kit is an ideal match for dedicated automotive hobbyists, truck and SUV owners with large surface areas to cover, and anyone who already owns a pressure washer and wants to elevate their detailing game. Because of its robust build quality, safety-first engineering, and complete chemical ecosystem, I highly recommend it as a definitive foundation for vehicle care. Number 1. The Chemical Guys HOOL 362 16-piece Arsenal Builder Ceramic Car Wash and Protection Kit is an all-in-one detailing solution designed specifically for car owners who want professional-grade ceramic protection without needing a pressure washer. The primary purpose of this kit is to democratize high foaming, scratch-free washing by pairing a premium foam gun that attaches directly to a standard garden hose with advanced silica-infused ceramic protection formulas. Key features include Hydro Sud Ceramic Car Wash Soap, Hydro Speed Ceramic Quick Detailer, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, a heavy-duty detailing bucket with a Cyclone Dirt Trap, a plush microfiber wash mitt, and premium microfiber towels. In real-life scenarios, the performance is exceptionally impressive. The foam gun generates a remarkably thick layer of lubricated suds using normal household water pressure, allowing the Hydro Suds formula to loosen dirt safely before wiping. The unique design aspect lies in its focus on ceramic technology, SIO_2. Which leaves behind a durable, hydrophobic barrier that repels water and prevents dust from bonding to the paint. The build quality of the hardware is excellent, the detailing bucket is sturdy, the dirt trap effectively isolates grit at the bottom, and the foam gun features a durable, quick connect design with adjustable dilution settings for ultimate ease of use. When compared to traditional competitors like the Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit, this Chemical Guy setup provides a massive evolutionary leap in paint technology and hardware. While Meguiar's relies on classic Carnauba waxes and standard hand washing techniques, the whole 362 kit integrates modern ceramic coatings and a foam gun into a single package. It offers phenomenal value for money because buying a specialized garden hose foam gun, a grit guard bucket, and multiple ceramic-infused chemicals separately would cost far more than this bundled price. Ultimately, this kit is highly beneficial for casual weekend warriors, apartment dwellers, and car enthusiasts who want cutting-edge ceramic shine and hydrophobic protection without investing in an expensive pressure washer setup. Given its stellar performance, protective benefits, and comprehensive tool selection, I highly recommend it as a smart, modern upgrade for DIY car care. Choosing the right car wash kit can make a huge difference in preserving your ceramic coating and keeping your vehicle looking showroom ready. Each kit on our list offers unique features, from premium cleaning solutions to complete detailing accessories. Consider your budget, washing routine, and maintenance needs before making a choice. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite car wash kit in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy detailing!